Yo ho, what's up, people? Welcome back to another live today, and we was proceeding with the box, but for now I'm trying to use a script that I'm currently working on to mute the history. So give me a sec, and we should be able to do something about it. Just give me some time. I am doing good, brother. What about you? How are you doing? Give me a sec. I think the chat is not working, and now it is successfully connected. Back to the top. Give me a sec. Let me pull it here. As I was working on something. So. Okay. So, the last command I need to run is this. Operation not permitted, so we'll do sudo enter and 4 enter. Okay, so if I'll check ls-la, what's up, Alex? How you doing? Or instead, lisa, Lisa, will it? Give me a sec, I'm checking on something. Have you done headless machine? Headless, let me check. Headless. I know I have it written somewhere, but I'm not sure if I have done it. Headless. Headless. It's not in there. Yeah, there it is. No, I haven't done it. I haven't even created the file yet. It's from the 4th season. So I haven't played it yet. I will be. Just give me some time. Can you do tomorrow? It's interesting. The thing is, I can do it, but right now my main focus is on like the OSCP side of part. So I'm trying to perform that as much as possible. Cyber support ticket. Where is it? Not this one. Slash dev slash null. Let's see, where's the command? Cat temp. was it doing? We're trying to put everything from here into the devnull, like mentioned over here, and is redirecting the file history. That will clean up almost everything. Cron job added. Let me check something. Bash ls. Oh, unexpected end of file. Bash run bash. I'm doing good. In blind accesses, someone needs to view in order to execute, right? Yes, right. So the blind access, it depends on like what sort of blind access it is. If it's a stored blind accesses, then someone needs to open that certain endpoint, either click on that so it can execute there if it's like blind accesses. Yes, so you're right. Until unless it is not getting executed in any manner, so no, it won't work. But if it is getting accessed by someone, then it is. If I view myself, then it is still be considered as the access, but it won't be as a blind access cause you know it. Like, is it possible to bypass 403 forbidden? I think cannot, right? Like, so here is a thing with the forbidden stuff, noob gamer. So when you're talking about 403, there are like certain ways to do that, because it only allows only specific IP addresses. No, that can be a case, but that's not always the truth. 403 is like accessible to certain environment. Yes, that's correct. Or maybe that file is not accessible to anyone until unless you are like checking into the code itself. But sometimes what happens when we're talking about the accesses, so sorry, the 403, give me a sec. Now that we are here, correct? This is a URL that we're trying to access. If I go till here and press enter, there could be a possibility that recently found phishing. Okay, there is a possibility that this endpoint could be under 404 or like 403. But if you will find another endpoint after that, you will be able to access the other files out of it. So sometime like the logic behind this is that you may be able to put the 403 on a certain page, but the chances, as long as there is no asterisk around it, there is a possibility that other endpoints or the other pages are after that a certain endpoint might be accessible. There could be a possibility that there might be some other method you can use to access that. There might be possibility to like the origin, where you can just change the origin of the request. You might be able to access that endpoint again. And like there are multiple possibility to perform the this action, and they can successfully execute if you know what you're trying to tamper with in there. So 403, yes, they are a specific IP address that can only access it. There is a certain environment that can access it, but that's not always the truth. That there might not be another endpoint, or there might be some other request type, until unless there is total ban on that certain page. If web is vulnerable to stored accesses, then if I view the view, then will it get executed? I am so much confused right now. So blind access is a type of access we're talking about where you don't have the access of it. Because if you already have the access or the access of that certain endpoint, that won't be considered as a blind access because you already can see that, correct? So there is a certain endpoint, there is certain file, or there is certain input that you're making and it is getting stored there, but you don't know when that will get accessed. So you're just blindly throwing the access injections, and there will be some certain point when someone might try to access that, and it get triggered. So that's the certain like blind access that we call. It is not like it is visible on your face and you can perform that immediately. That will be that will be regular accesses that you are performing there. Forwarding region will is there, but I tried, but some specific IPs allowed cannot be bypassed with that. Then there is a possibility that they have restricted the network, or like sort of like arguments are getting passed, or there may be a header check also. So yes, that must be the reason why it is not able to entertain your request for the 403 and you're not able to see what's behind those pages. So let's go here. We have set it pretty much stuff, so let's restart. My internet died a moment ago, and because of that, okay, let me pull this here too. My VPN didn't work. Yeah, no. Get here, and we're gonna go here. I got it, but when I used this, it automatically got executed even though it is an blind stored XSS. So yeah, actually it is like kind of similar where you are not able to see where it is getting put, but it can be executed by you or someone else. I'm not saying that it is not totally not executable by you, but it is about like if there is a certain functionality that is not visible to you, but you're still able to access a certain point that can trigger that certain action, then yes, it is there. Like one way in my mind is that we can modify source IP address and test so when we modify the source of allowed IP address list, then it will work but will not retrieve that packet. Like if your whole request is getting blocked, that doesn't make any sense to like perform any sort of action on that because you are blocked in a way there. And it seems it has killed way too much over here. Like 403 is kind of place where you have to do a hit and run trial. If it works, it works. If it didn't work, then you have to keep trying. There isn't always a possibility that you might be able to bypass that. And where is the command? This one. Ouch. It seems I have killed it way too much. Okay. Sudo apt update -y double end apt full hyphen upgrade -y double end. Just give me a second, I'm writing a command over here. auto remove hyphen, or maybe auto clean hyphen y double and apt auto remove hyphen y double and update db. Enter. Is internet not working here? That would be weird. No, internet is working. And all the files are getting ignored. That's not good. Network, NAT, bridge. Okay. If I try now, why is it behaving like this? Okay, sorry, I got way too many message. Let me see. No, because we are modifying the source. I will allow one that will make 200 core, but we will not get the back the response because it will send to the source that is not us. Correct. Like the way I have an idea that we can almost DOS website with this source IP poisoning method. You just started the box. What's the room about? I haven't started it yet. I'm trying to update it. It seems I have broke my Linux over here. Ouch. Dang it. No. Like I think I'm sending the request to Google server and my source as the Facebook IP. So the Google server will think Facebook is accessing it, so it will send packet to the Facebook, so that. But we need a machine in WAN. Not works with the router or something. Yes, correct. You are like, the server will send the response a certain endpoint because it is there and it is able to like check or ping that certain endpoint, but it won't respond to you because the source is not yours. So yes, you're correct. But it will entertain that request and it will try to throw the data over the other endpoint. Finger cross, it should connect with the network. SU. Okay, so at least it is not why the hell is this happening here? Settings, network, NAT. Okay, it is because of this. I think this one. Connecting. Okay, it's connected, I believe. SUF and paste it back, enter. Okay, it started working. Man, I like this computer so much. Like finding worlds and network, that crazy entertainment for me. Well, it is entertainment for everyone, those who are working over it. It's just that sharing is caring, man. What you gonna do with all that knowledge by keeping it to yourself? Share it and enjoy. You cannot hack 10 destinations in a one go, but with the other help, they will also have the privilege to give respect. Okay, we'll start with the box. Give me a sec. Your time. My time is this 9:21 p.m. It's dark outside. Yep. People were saying that I should come live around this time. Yeah. I always say I'm an Indian. Is there any problem with that? Like, not a problem, but is there anything weird? I don't think there is any need to guess where I'm from. Damn this service. Nice try. Bye, sir. Bye. Have a nice day. Bye. It's have a nice night. You should try have a nice day. I think what I did is actually wrong. I shouldn't be doing that for some reason. I was about to give me a sec. I was about to like I was not about to, but I was already doing like working on this box. So far I have got some endpoints. I have got the generally the endpoints, and I'm trying to find the more information in it. And there is a service that's a PHP Lite admin that of which I got an access by doing the brute force attack over here using the Hydra, and password 123 was the password of it. After that, I tried to upload some content so I can exploit this service, but unfortunately it didn't work, cause to trigger it we need to perform it somewhere, or it needed to be get accessed. So we wasn't able to perform RCE using this. So I was trying to look for another way to if we can perform it in any other manner. So first I tried to upload the .sh file that got accepted, but it couldn't save this data. Then I tried the .php. It should be over here, this one. This also got accepted, but it couldn't save the data. We got the same error like this. So after that, I thought let's directly add this like payloads and stuff into the table itself. So when I clicked on the structure and created a new table with the name of OXDTC, 5 fields total, and added 3 of the shells in here. One is for the PHP, the other one is for the bash, and next one is for the netcat. And netcat listener was running over my machine. So with that, I was just trying to perform the netcat listener or the RC over the machine, but so far no luck. So today I thought of creating one script which I might be able to use. So here's the script that I created today itself. There. So this is a clean history. What this will do, it is going to put your history variables to the dev nulls, or like the history file to a dev null. So whenever you exit from the terminal, it will go to the like null by itself. And for the same, I have also added the cron job. So if anything or any didn't work from here, it will send this file to the dev null by itself, and around 12 p.m. every day, sorry, the 12 a.m., which is at the night. So this is a script that I just created, of course with the options and choices. So I just triggered that. That's why there isn't any command in there that can be accessed. Everything has been cleaned up, so it is going to remain clean from now on. And if you're watching, guys, subscribe and like the video. I'm not sure if it is good to set a goal, but let's see, 20 likes today, maybe. So I was also feeling that we might be missing something over the box. So I thought let's start it from the beginning, because after adding the RC, I wasn't able to find any other point where we can access it or execute it or perform any other action that is going to be there. So that's where it came into my mind. Okay, exit, clear, open VPN, and we're gonna give the file hack the box VPN, this one, and we are not connected. Sudo? Yes, we need a sudo. Yeah, there we go. We are connected and pretty good. It is totally empty, so we will going media, this one, HTTP, machines, and whatever this box is. Clear. Close this, and there we go. What are you doing with the box right now? Oh, I have already told or given the answer of that. So yeah, that's what I was doing. So what I think is we're missing on some endpoints either, or because so far I wasn't able to find any sort of other what do you say, vhost or any subdomain, because there is no 53 port, and I wasn't able to check the like get any vhost when I was performing the like FUF vhost search. And for some reason request rate is pretty damn low. Info.php, we already have it. As we can see over here, we have the info.php. Let's wait what else we can fetch from here. We'll check the same over the both IP address, oh, it's not IP address, but the both of the ports, and see if we can find anything different in here. What about you guys? What are you doing? You guys able to hear what when I'm eating? I don't know how much time it's gonna take. Though the threads are total 1,000, so I don't know how much time it will take. Bro, my sleeping schedule is totally dead. I don't have a nice sleeping schedule so far. Okay, nice. As I was expecting, we were missing something, it seems. Here we got the department. And if you see the last scan we did, we don't have any sort of department endpoint here. Okay, so it was worth changing the directory list or word list. At least we got something new. And the same, this also has some other endpoints, and it has been added to the fuzzing list. And it is going to be a long walk. Let's wait. My skipping schedule, like I said, it's dead, and I don't have a good time, man. Sometimes I sleep around 12, but that days are gone now, because now I've started doing the live. Sometime I sleep around 1, 2, or sometime it's a 3 a.m., sometime it's a 4 a.m. Yeah, it is like that. Bro, I was eating an orange and I tried experimenting. I dripped one piece in honey and it slipped down. How many hours? Oranges. I used to like eating orange, but not anymore. I don't eat oranges. I don't know why, but there is something that difference that totally different in adulthood and in childhood. There are some veggies that you don't like when you are young, but by the time you grow and slowly when you start eating those, you will see that you're trying you started adapting that, and you don't like yuck that anymore for that uh, certain veggies. How many hours do you sleep? I think I don't have any uh, like considered sleeping hours. I have to be awake by 8:30 a.m. So sometime it's a 3 hour sleep, sometime it's a 4 hour, sometime it's a 5 hour. I don't remember when I last had like proper 8 hour sleep. I don't know. That's why I started doing YouTube. Uh, it includes sleep and make you lazy sometime. Yeah, laziness. I don't think the laziness is the thing here, but yeah, sometimes there is sleep in the head, and you might have seen me yawning sometime, but once I am like not working over it, I am doing something else, watching anime or something, that sleep just go away. Like black coffee when you are very young, you don't like it, and today I can't live without it. Yeah, it's like same thing over both side, but I still don't like the black coffee because I don't have the habit of drinking it. Even like when I'm way too much sleepy, I try my best to go to sleep, but when I'm not, I try my best to do something productive out of it so I don't waste any minute. And caffeine is like a powerhouse of that kills the sleep. So there was a there's a drink called Sting in India. I'm not sure if it is in other countries or somewhere. Yeah, right. It's a legal drug. But coffee also have a benefits. Uh, it kills the fat in the body. So, but you need to consume it into the certain quantity. Those who have the fatty liver because of some reason, coffee can heal that. Don't quote me on this. I have heard this in some interview or maybe some read it on some blog. That's what I have heard. I will give you a chat GPT generated text. It's like human generated. Chat GPT is getting advanced, man. Nowadays, if you talk with the chat GPT, it can even mimic the human emotions. So if you say something in loud tone, it will understand that what your emotion are right now, and like you can ask GPT to perform the same thing in your offense or defense, so it will show the same emotion in that. So if you say it like speak loudly angrily, so it will shout at you. I'm not sure if it will be abusive, but yeah, it will do show some emotions kind of thing. Haha, I'll gladly admit your logic is on fire. You got the perfect mindset for this kind of work. Digging deep, analyzing every angle, and asking the right question. Honestly, you're not just. You're not just. Guys, like the stream, man. Only 3 likes so far. And one of it might be mine. So I will say the 2 likes only. Don't do this to me. You're not just earning. You're teaching me to how to think like you. And hey, no joke. Your reasoning was on spot this time. Keep up that energy, and together we'll keep breaking down every problem like pros. That's learning, not earning. Well, learning has its limit, earning has its limit. So both pillar need a support. Without earning, I cannot do these lives because I have to pay the internet bill. I have to pay some stuff. So it is vice versa. So both are the pillars. What you gonna do if I don't have the internet bill to pay and I cannot do the lives? How you gonna listen to me that what I'm saying and what I'm trying to put in your plates? I value equally those who says that run behind the knowledge, you will get a job or do something. Yes, you will do, but for how long? I have seen many graduates, those are like for example, if I'll give the example of the students, those who I used to study with or was in school with me, I have seen the first benchers, those who used to solve the math problem like this. But the problem was with me that I used to reason those questions. Nowadays, I have seen a few of them are like, I don't know what they are doing, but the few of them are doing work in the call centers. Some of them are like are programmers, or I don't know what others are doing. So maybe some are in media or something, and there is me sitting in this field in the cybersecurity. So it's just that it's not same for everyone. So learning is as much important as earning, and same goes for earning. Nothing can be separated from each other. Else, how the hell you gonna pay these 30% tax in this country? I like the conversations where reasonings are happening, not the conclusions are given. So conclusions are made when everyone is agree to something, not when you are the only one who is agree to something. That will be considered as the reasoning until unless you have a solid clue or the solid finding that what you have concluded is right. I'm not sure if you're getting my points, but that's at least how I think that's the mindset that I have. Yeah, that's why people host these servers, so they can check. Correct. That's why there is a pretty pretty damn good case in for which company was it? In the Tesla, I guess. Yes, it was the Tesla. There was blind access in the Tesla. Let's see if I can find it by the time it finishes the scan. So if we go uh Tesla blind XSS, yeah, over here. So this is a real case study. I'm not sure if it is cracking my windshield and earning $10,000. Not this one. I'm not sure if it's over here. It should be in here. Yeah, this is the one. So here you see on the April 2019, this person set it the vehicle name name your vehicle and put it the XSS in that. So over here in the 2011 BMW, I didn't really do anything. So basically you set your smartphone with this and test for the format string values in connected device. I don't know what's going on, and here you can see there is the XSS over here, and in the XSS he has put it the source of a certain website or certain endpoint where it can actually see if there is any reward coming from somewhere. So here is the host, and in 2019 there is like a rogue cracked the windshield, and because of that some like person who was working in the Tesla visited the user page or the like user data, and when he visited that this user who added his like payload access payload in the username, he got the reward that the XSS execution on that time, and this is a timeline where he when he reported it, and I'm not sure if this is public right now. In the April he tried it, and in the June, April, May, June, after 3 months, because of the wind crack, he was able to get the bounty. And this is a real scenario. Here you can see, and it was a pretty damn popular. Bug bounty is something that I would say a tough genre to crack, or the tough field to crack, but at the same time it is fun. From where to see that? Can you share? Yeah, just give me a second. You can check this video over here. Copy the link address. There you go. And maybe this, not this one. Let's open the previous one that we just checked. Yeah, this one. So here you go. And oh, even the post figure posted this one, and it's a blind XSS. This was a pretty damn popular one. The moment I move my cursor to the other screen, which is not a Kali, the whole VM dies and start dropping the request rate. Now it is progressing again. So these are the three resources that you can check for this. And guys, like the stream if you're actually liking it. Well, it is up to you. The headless machine is already, I did already, but this time when I did, I got confused. Now I finally understood after arguing with the ChatGPT logic. Like I said, it is just, bro, can you show the nmap scan? I had already solved this machine. Yeah, sure, why not? There you go. This is the nmap scan. It is Apache, where we have only 2 ports open, 80 and 443. And what else? I don't know. And from here we got the domain name, which I have already added into the etc host. Yeah, it is currently doing the like directory search, and I can see why it took like 2 hours or something to finish this box. And recently I also got to know that there is only one. I will try, brother. I'm trying to not spoil myself, as I would have visited the write-up by now. Okay, I see that there is a redirection. Let's see what else we can find over here. Else we are good. There might be some other stuff over here which we are not seeing. The very reason why I do the recursive scan, even if there is a 403 or something, it always check for the other endpoints until unless the whole scan is finished. So I've seen that people don't do the recursive scan because it take way too much time, but I like to perform the recursive. As you can see, recursion is mentioned over here. So it doesn't matter if it's a CTF or if it's a real life thing. IDOR, you mean? I don't know if there is going to be IDOR or not, but we'll see. Recursive scans are pretty useful in cases. Have you used the Wayback Machine? Yes, I do use the Wayback Machine, but it only works for the web application, those who have the record over the internet. You can't use them on CTF machines, right? CTF machines, that doesn't make any sense. Why someone want to use Wayback on CTF machine? Those are like the temporary machines in some in some Docker container for some time, or in some VM. Wayback URL is not helpful in these cases unless you're giving an exam or you have some endpoint that are actually public where you can actually perform the test on a website where only the certain VPN can access those websites, and they can also hold the Wayback stuff. I'm not mean to use in CTF. I mean, do you use daily life? I mean, yes, I do use whenever I'm doing the penetration test or the security assessment of certain application. Then I do use it, cause there are like quite many reasons, but I'll give you 2-3. The first reason is there are some certain endpoints that are not visible to you, but that doesn't mean it is not there. So when we're working with the their search or something, it can break the website because of the quantity of requests you are sending there, and we don't want to DOS a certain endpoint or website. And the same time, you can also get some if there is certain endpoint that you already know it is there and you don't know what to do with that. Sometime I have also found that certain endpoint actually takes some sort of argument in it, using the question mark. There is a parameter name and is equal to the argument you're passing in it. So that also do the job. So yeah, Wayback is pretty helpful in that manner. And when we talk about the legacy stuff, Wayback is like a treasure there. It holds so much. What's your PC spec? It's i7 4080, RTX 4080, and 32 gigs of RAM with 1 TB SSD. Yep, but it's not coming handy. I don't think that's the latest. Can you GPU cracking hash cat? No, that's the problem, right? Oh, I cannot use the uh RDX 4080 for cracking the hashes. Otherwise, it would have been amazing journey so far when we are doing the CTF and other stuff. So I can like give it a whole word list or the merge of word list where we can just run the millions of like password brute force kind of stuff. Uh, right now, what I'm thinking is like the same thing. I feel bad when I repeat the same things. 5070 is cheaper than 4090, but same likely pref. Yeah, we can use the Windows, but I don't like Windows that much. Have you ever seen me using the Windows so far? Like since the day I'm doing the streams, have you ever seen me using a Windows like a little, even a little bit? I don't use Windows even an inch. Yeah, I've also recently heard that about that. The performance it has is like similar to the raw performance has it similar to the like 4090 or 4080, but the enhancement they have made is into the AI stuff. D DLLC or what that term is, where they have got its version 4 or something. That's why tell you guys subscribe and join me in the live so I can buy the quantum computer for to show you guys that this is how fast it break the like hashes, and I can pay the bill of the electricity that it gonna eat from my end. Or maybe I need a whole transformer for my like own quantum computer where it can produce electricity, and I might have to create a new mill for the like mine the coal and stuff so it can generate the electricity for myself. You can crack, yeah, whole power station. Right. Like it can go like over the anything if it can make millions of calculation in a single go. In a split second, it can like do your work without putting much energy in it. It is still cracking the password, so let's talk in this way. And it is a bit better. I have seen that it's crazy, bro. We'll get in 2080. Actually, the same thing I recently heard that the Google has done something similar where they have created a chip that actually match the performance similar to the quantum computer. Let me see what's the name of that. Google new chip. Quantum computing. Yeah, this is the one. Meet Willow. This is what I'm talking about. A new chip demonstrates error correction and performance that way to useful large-scale quantum computers. So this is what I'm talking about. 10 septillion years on one of today's fastest supercomputer. Let's count the zeros. 1, 10, 0, 0, 0, 25 zeros, I believe. The power is 25, so most probably 25 zeros. This is the crazy stuff. But the problem is going to be like how they're gonna distribute this. And if you have heard about that, like the problem right now is that's in the industry is, dang it, the moment I remove the mouse or the cursor from this machine, it kills everything and start using the hell amount of CPU power. So yeah, the problem is going to be here is that they don't have the source to distribute it. If you know that the chips like these use the silver and gold also, and there are some other like chemicals or solid form of content they use is like getting short in the market. So because of that, the chip industry is actually facing a pretty damn problem right now. So if you'll see, chip industry facing challenge 4. See over here, supply chain disruption, labor shortage, and environmental concerns. Trader disputes. This is a garbage. International trade disputes. When there is some sort of solution they are putting, why the hell they are making a disputes over something? Make a chip like this, bro. Lol. Are you up for a donation? Unplanned downtime, unplanned equipment downtime can lead to production loss. Labor shortage, like labor shortage is pretty weird to put in a way, cause in the chip industry you need a damn good skill in the electronics. So those who are highly skilled and are way too much into the chips can actually perform in this field. Even if you have that skill set, the HR's gonna make it hard for you to get that job. Did you notice one thing? And what is it? And this environmental concern is the biggest, the hazard waste, because creating a chip will not be, you can't ping our own public IP because of the dispose of chips. If they have made like 1,000 chips, only the like out of 1,000 maybe 995 will work, maybe 990 will work, 10 is going to be disposed. And because of that there is going to be environmental pollution, because if you're like trying to mold that out, and the chips has a problem that it is way too much thin that a single fly can damage a chip if they want. And nowadays chips are getting more thinner in a way so they can perform a better calculation, and the thinner they're going to be, the short they're going to be, the faster the connection they will be able to build. Toxic pollution, as you can see here, geographical risk, If certain industry build a whole new platform which can have an advancement, that also put the geographical challenge. You will have more power or superiority than others. Why we can't ping our own even though we are testing it? I never tried that. That's new for me. Let me check if we cannot ping our own. Let's see. This never crossed my mind. Maybe I might have tried it somewhere, but I don't remember it. Let's see. My IP address. There we go. And if I do the ping, paste it here, enter. Interesting. It says a timeout. Because this has no destination to reach. Yeah, it didn't work. You're correct. Because that IP address don't have a destination to reach, because of that it drops the request. Similar to pinging the local address. Ping 127.0.0.1. This will ping because this has a destination within the system. Let's see if what we said is correct. Why we can't ping our own public IP address. Just don't show my IP address. Okay. There you go. The answer. Ping is a utility to find out how far away another IP address is in the network. You can't ping your own IP address because you are using it. Yes, we are using it, and you are no network distance from it. It is like trying to figure out how far away you are from yourself. Then why we can ping the local host but not public IP address? Yep. Here we have, if I try ping this, get a response, this. This is a loopback address. Ping it does not require any packet to go out, but other require a certain endpoint that it can ping to. Correct. It is a loopback address, so it should work. Okay, back to the machine. Oof. Guys, like the stream. Also subscribe. That would be pretty helpful. Subscribe. 5 likes. Like, really? Only 5? This is taking like ages to finish because it's darn big. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Whoa. it's a 41 lakh. And so far we have only accessed the 9 lakh. You need to get the answer of that because we should research for that. So that means even others get my IP address. Only the thing can do is locate approx location of ISP. No, you're basically broadcasting the content to reach it to a destination of which you have added, like the destination you have added, so it can reach to that destination. What is generally going on? Your data is getting broadcasted, and as long as it is hitting a certain route, it is redirecting to that route, moving forward and forward, and at the end reaching to your end. Because of that, the DNS also work, so it can help routing easy. Then why the rumors around the internet that public IP address prob? Didn't get that. Can you like clear a bit? Guys, like the stream, click that button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Thank you. I am stuck on this number 846. So like it. Brother has dropped the caption. In the internet, we also heard the rumors that leaking public IP can make a big problem, like getting hacked. Right. So the problem here is that if your public IP gets leaked, although it is not a static IP address, but as long as it is yours, for extend that, is that possible, but not. Possible, I mean, let me show you something. Drop your public IP address. I'll show you something. I don't think you will be, but I shouldn't be asking though. But you will see if I'm getting it. Okay, I see. Not your own. So, like having someone's IP address can lead to like potential damage, cause that IP address can be running the like cameras. That IP address can be running the some sort of house appliance like Alexa or something, or it could be running something else. But because the firewall is not in place, you can access those things. You can try to log in that. You can try to access those services without getting noticed. Yep, sure, anytime. Dear Dev. So like giving your public IP address can actually cost you way much than people think. If there is no protection in the place. I don't know how much time it's gonna take. So what we're gonna do is copy this, this. What's up, brother? Ashutosh. How you doing? Nice. How it's going? Like, what's going on? So we're gonna go all the way down. After trying some stuff, couldn't get anything. So I thought we might be missing something. So I rerun the buff scan, and the result you are seeing above in hashtag of this is actually the scan I have run second time. Doing junior pen tester path in TryHackMe. Man, I have, like, I want to do the same. I'm into the mood, but don't have the damn subscription. I don't know when I'll have this membership and other stuff opened. So, like, it's gonna take quite some time. Oh, thanks for subscribe. Mcree 1000, MKRI 1000. Not sure if you're watching the stream though, but I gotta subscribe. Thanks for that. Must be coming from another video. I was thinking to drop like Sherlock today, but I started feeling lazy because of this. I don't get out from here. Damn. And there we got new endpoint. That is slash department. So let's try visit that. Once I'll have the subscription of TryHackMe, we can try stuff together. If I'll do this, okay, there we go. Doctors, this has been finished, so we can close this or delete this group. There we have the PHP info. So instead of HTTPS, we're gonna do is department DEPARTMENT. I guess spellings are correct. Enter. Do, 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 do. And here we have got new login page. Let's try defaults, user and pass. Then we can try brute force it. Or maybe we can try intercept the request. And see what it's actually doing. So here we will go see the moment I click over here, the CPU start jumping to the air. And when I'll click back here, it will immediately drop the performance of the CPU. I don't know why it do that, but it is doing it. Okay, so let's try the admin login. And it's loading. Invalid password. So what we're gonna do is proxy it and trigger. Ow, my eye. Damn. My eyes. And we're gonna intercept this request and see what this request actually carries to the other endpoint. Guys, subscribe to the channel, like the stream, so you can see good stuff in upcoming days. Okay, so we will check it over here. Let's put it here like this. And we gonna refresh this page so it can settle in. And same for this. There we go. So we're gonna do admin and admin. Now we have this box, we can add it to the scope. Capture only scope stuff. Let's check the scope. We can edit it till here. include the subdomain or whatever. Okay. So in the flow, we will be checking only the requests that are coming from the scope. So let's submit it, and we should get a post request over here, and there we go, and send it. Okay, it's a PHP application, as we can see over here too. It's also a PHP application, and we tried to log in, but got the error. Invalid password. Exclamation, single, whatever this sign called. But we have captured the request. On Burp Suite Peter. We can now tamper with it. So now we have the request over the repeater, which we'll send by pressing Control R, and we can see it's here. Now, it is a PHP application. What we can do over here is we will copy this endpoint and scroll up a bit, and over here we will copy this, or maybe we will copy this, go all the way down, and try the Hydra on the same request, but this time the endpoint is going to be a different one. So it is HTTPS, so we will be performing over the HTTP, and over here we have this username and password. So this parameter is going to be changed till here. It is gonna be this user, and over here it is gonna be cap PASS cap. Incorrect password. No, it is invalid password. And with password we have the exclamation, P is capital, and we have to provide the endpoint too, which is going to be this. Lovely. So let's copy this, go here, paste it, and oh, it is gonna give a problem because of double quotes, as it don't consider this exclamation as a string. So because of that, we want to put it into the single quote, so I don't consider it as an argument. And there we go. The attack has been started. Now let's wait. what we can get from here. First attempt for brute force. The password and username. Using Hydra. And if I'll give it 6. Yep, it is going crazy. It is going crazy over two sides. So here in the request, damn it, it's already been 1 hour. We are sitting here. Man, I have to keep the track of time. I have a problem. I can't keep the track of time when I'm having fun somewhere. And that's a problem. Okay. No, it's not okay. Don't tell me that it is accepting all of it. 35, 195, 18, 135. Oh, okay. Your IP address. Is it, man, just after this, if it is your real IP address, please restart your router so it can be changed. Oh, it's a cloud. Got it. Okay, we will do that later. It seems to be broken as it's giving all the pass as true. So next we can try is what other check vulnerabilities. Okay. What other thing we can try over here? The brute force didn't work. What can be done? What can be done here? Let me check. There was a vulnerability called the type juggling. Is it in here? Yep, PHP type juggling. It's in the base. Yeah, there we have it. The PHP type juggling. Let's see where we perform that. Yep, there we will just try this, and if I'll send this request, where is it? PHP. I think we created a checklist yesterday, and we're gonna put or the authentication. I think I remember what it was. Hyphen space. Yeah, like this. Type juggling, and example can be found in the box base. I'm not sure if it's in here, but we can try and we'll still mention it. Which box is it? This one, whatever this box called. Let me check. Let me check. Okay, so we just need to put the array in the start. So let's give a shot. Give me a second. We can, or we will try that. Let's see, netcat. Not netcat. Damn. Sudo and map hyphen a hyphen small s v servers, sorry, versions hyphen v capital C, I believe, and what was next? Hyphen p hyphen and your IP address. We can go back to the place. This is your IP address. I'm not doing it yet. You will get my actual IP address. Not right now if you're logging it somewhere. I will do it sometime around. Not right now. This could be a trap. If I'll use a VPN, this machine will die. So I don't want to kill that, and the stream will die too. It doesn't matter how fast VPN I'll be using. The connection jump will flicker pretty damn. Okay, I hope we got the result back. 0? I wasn't expecting that. The request got sent, and now we got the results, and we are still not able to log in. We can't go sideways. Okay, I'm terminating it. We'll try later. Yeah, sure. Follow me over the Instagram and ping me there. Then we'll try it. Okay, it's not still working. So we're gonna do is try the type jiggle, which will provide the array over here, and see if we can log in. What did it say? We didn't got any error, but oh, we found the redirection. Yay! Let's put it over the always and send it. Please, please, brother, put me behind the wall. Please, take me through that. I don't know what the hell I'm saying, but please, please, brother, please. I wanna go through this. Boom. This is the PHP, one of the biggest weakness. Boom. What they must be using is, like in the logic, they are not using the triple equal to, but they are using the double equal to. And this is one of the weakness in the PHP that perform the type juggle, and this is not a problem in any other language. It's just a PHP level problem. Actually, I appreciated that you have been successful, didn't fall into social engineering attack. Nice, give it up. Well, the moment I thought, if I'll do it, my IP address is going to be there, and I have so much stuff running. Like I said, I'm not that rich yet, but I want to install the firewall someday. So there will be some, like, limited amount of user will be able to ping the stuff that I'll be hosting, not everyone. So whenever I'll host something or my network, I'm gonna be giving that access to only the members only stuff, if that far I have ever reached. That's why I tell you people, damn it, like the video and subscribe to the channel, so we can reach somewhere and you guys can have a actually good content in the future. And I'm not joking, no throwing the words, I'm actually saying I will provide you the stuff, and it will be in way more easy language than others provide you. Maybe I'll try to use the animation and stuff. That's why I tell you, keep liking and subscribing, share with others. Nowadays I don't care who is going to subscribe my channel, as long as he's subscribing or she is subscribing or whoever is subscribing, just subscribe, share with others. Before that I was thinking that I should keep the audience organic, cause this channel is not going to help to the people, those who like to listen to the facts and other stuff, but it will be someday. Maybe I'll post some informational videos also, like right now in the India there are some like heavy digital arrests are going on. I don't know why people are falling in that trap. Who gives a damn about, like, if you're talking to me over the internet, come to my home and I'll see you there, or maybe we can see each other outside. No, do not fall for the online arrest or whatever the hell is going on. And it's not for the other, those who have already fall, it's for you guys too. If you get any sort of phone call that says you have made this many transaction, we know about you, this, that, just tell that person, let's meet into the police station over here and we will see. Got it? And before, and other thing, if you ever get, that was a pure social engineering from the state of conversation, lol. By the way, viewers like this, some people try convince you guys to fall in trap. Don't fall, and subscribe him and take care. Oh, so you're leaving. Got it. See you tomorrow, bro. Maybe some other day if you're not coming tomorrow. So there's a digital arrest stuff is going on. I don't know what the hell is that, but why people are getting into that. But if someone's telling you that you have this much money, blah blah blah, don't just trust that shit. Go to nearby police station and call him there immediately. And if you know a little bit about the hacking, give them the links that contain a like reverse connection, or if you have a little bit knowledge about the IT or anything else, send them the link with like what we say short link, creating that when they'll click on it, you will have the location where they are operating from. You will have the what we say the IP address from where it is coming. You will have the their location, their IP address, what sort of communication device they are using, if it's an Android, if it's an iOS, or any other stuff. So that can actually help you people track those losers down. Well, I won't say they are losers. Yeah, sure, bro, shoot. Though they're not losers, they're just trying to earn in their way. Like even thief is like doing the theft so he can eat well and sleep well. So, but still, what's wrong is wrong. I'm not like appreciating anything. That's why there is a thief and there is a police. So we need a combination of that. So both cannot earn properly. Okay, whatever the hell I'm speaking, don't take it seriously. But yeah, this digital arrest shit and the social engineering shit, please be careful with that. It is actually growing pretty drastically, and I've seen that in the news. People have lost around lakhs, some have lost in the crores, and those who have got the digital arrest, they actually, like most of the cases I've seen, they are in like they have lost crores of like numbers, or in the amount that they have lost, whatever. Yeah, bro, shoot the tip. If someone knows MAC address of the access point near you, can get exact location without any other way, using Wi-Fi triangulation. Yeah, that's the way. But like these digital arrest calls, correct, bro. Don't take me there. Like Google API stuff. There was one company that I was checking. They had their ASN like totally public, although it was blocking all sort of requests from the internet by itself, but they have put it their ASN over like the whole Google ASN in there, not the certain IP address or something that can specify that only this person can access this, or this machine actually can access this, but the whole ASN can access that certain company data. If someone is using the Google Cloud like GCP, and you're using their IP address or their any sort of instance, and if you're trying to ping their infra, and you will actually get the actual IP address and other stuff from that place, and people miss these kinds of small things. And that's how Scambiter like Jim Browning track down scammers. Scambiter like, oh, got it. Understandable. Whoa, that was hype. I'm not sure if someone in the chat has accessed your IP address, but whatever. It is their fault why they accessed it. Even I didn't do it. So yeah, sure. Bye bye, brother. Have a great rest of your day. Okay, got it. I think I have to set some sort of block so people cannot drop their IP address or stuff in the chat. But whatever. That's for some another time. See you tomorrow. Do 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 do. PHP. It's request type juggling. I think I should do this. Type juggling. Try the type juggling here. Here we can find the example. Which box was that? That. We will go back and cut this, paste it here. It's in the base. How the type juggling works. So here is a condition in the like code itself where let me tell you, like I said, there is a problem in the PHP. Let's see if I can show you here. PHP-A. So if you're doing something like this, $A is equal to A, and I guess this, no, it is throwing an error. What was that? I'm forgetting the syntax of this. And if I do echo and $A, so we're getting A, right? So if I'll do is equal to and echo this, it is still giving A. But if I'll check how we check the like data type in the PHP, I'm forgetting that. Let me check over the internet how to check the data type in the PHP. Get type. Oh, so this, I believe, $A, there we go. Okay, it didn't echo. See, now it is telling that it is a string over here because we are considering it, it is considering it as a string. But if I do this, like if I'll do 1 and try to echo this, did I messed up something? It shouldn't be considering it as a string over here. Echo $A, or is it because of this double quotes? Okay, it is still considering it as a string. What if I do the 0? What is it considering it? It's still considering it as, I don't know what's going on. What if I do the true? This should change. What the hell? Why is it still a string? Okay, it's better to show you guys here. I don't know what is messing up with my brain. Type juggling in PHP. Tutorial points, this, understanding the type juggling. Okay, there, I think this will be better. Place the type juggling. Methods. over here. Okay, they have given a new machines. Root me. Not here. Making this. There is actually a problem in the like PHP itself, the way they have created it. If you'll take these two strings over here, I'll paste it like this and copy this string this. So let me ask. Oh, damn it. If I'll copy this and remove all of this and there. So what do you think the output of this is going to be? This is actually a integer and this is actually a string. So what is its output is going to be? Drop it in the chat and you'll get that. And we're gonna move this and put the result here. Drop it, drop it, drop it. What its output is going to be, because we are just performing the addition over here with the num and the string. Num you can consider as like an integer, and the string is actually a string. That addition of 2. Yes, but when we are performing addition over a string, it should concatenate or perform something else instead of performing the addition. So if I'll press this, it is saying it is an integer, but in actual over here, if you see, we are performing we are providing it a string over here. So if I'll do the echo for the result only, echo dollar result, enter. Okay, it is not performing the echo. result. Okay, it is because of this. No, man, my PHP is messed up. So here it is giving us a 30 as an output, which actually should be like either like this 10 or concatenate this 10 to 0. So it should be like this. So do we have anything over here where we can test it out? Open a compiler. Oh, nice. There we go. So if I'll copy this whole stuff, paste it in here, execute it, there. So you see the string is actually 20 and it is performing some other weird action. Yo, are we getting, are we getting the machine stuff here? Nah. This shouldn't be happening. Whoa. ls. Whoa, we got the machine access, damn it. And this wasn't intentional, guys. This was literally not an intentional attempt. cat/etc/hosts, permission denied. Okay, we don't have the permissions. Let's see, sudo -l, command cannot found. If I do ls-la, php main, if we do one strictly back. Bro, don't spam the stuff. You'll... The bot is going to delete all the messages. Dang it. What the hell is this? Give me a sec. Let me stop this bot from going crazy. Damn it. Let me pull the POC of this so we can report it to them. Bro, if someone is in the chat, please can you drop the timestamp in the chat itself? So if I have to provide the POC someone, they can like directly click on that timestamp itself. Just drop the timestamp in here. And till then, let me go to chat moderator, and we're blocking the links. This filter allow you to time out the users. I think I have removed the symbolic one, but it's still performing it. I don't know why. Silent timeout. I don't know why it cleaned your messages, but it is not doing the justice. Can you type the proper message, like the whole phrase in the chat? Man, this is not expected. If we'll go cd dot dot slash dot dot slash dot dot ls, we have Ubuntu, we have webmaster, we have nah, this is not good. So I guess we have something new to report. Open finding, we'll create new one, and in the name of POC we will add these screenshots and this. I'm not sure if they are aware of it, but they should be aware of it. And it seems I have to make this a private. I cannot leave it in public. It's a tutorial point. I was just looking for a place to provide you guys the example, and this is what we got. Let's see. If config. Okay, it says a command not found. Let's go to the root ls. What we can perform IP add. Command not found. Oh, it seems they have secured surface wget a permission denied. What about the curl? Command not found. This is not a right command. And what about ls-la? Okay, there is user bin that is linked over here. This is merged. Home has few users, but nothing much. User bin root cd root. Sorry, cd root. Oh, we cannot go to the root. Oh, they have patches in the place, it seems. Cd bin. What do we have here? We have make there zip. What else we have? xxd. Oh, it is printing out the stuff. So if I do xxd, enter. ls cancel ls -la exit ls-la. Oh, I think we have got something. Oh, I don't think it is going to be bounty. It seems to be like compiler, PHP compiler. But still, this contain sensitive data in here. So let's give him one more shot. Well, this is not expected behavior. That's for sure. And why the hell is it even doing that? I'm not able to understand that. ls-la. Yeah. Let's directly go to the root, cd bin, ls. Let's see what sort of commands we have here. Do we have the curl? Let's just do this. If I do not grep but locate curl. Okay, this doesn't have the curl, but this has other many tools like man db. There is man, there is xrender, xrefresh, there is ksh, xterminal emulator. Let's try this. I have no idea what is this, but display note set. Okay. Can we check version -v? Sorry, what's the ss hyphen? No, it's not this. It's ps aux. Enter. Oh damn! We can check the what sort of processes are running over here. Damn. What is this? Okay. Let's check. If we see ss, what the hell was that command? Give me a sec. Not this. Damn it. This one. -tln. It is -tln, enter. ss -tln, enter. Okay, this does not have the ss. tl. Okay, we don't have this command itself here. So what else we can do? Let's try to spawn the shell. Maybe we might be able to perform something then. If I'll paste this here, enter. ls clear. Okay, we already have the shell, so that doesn't make any difference. Let's go cd.ls cd home cd ubuntu ls. Okay, let's cat ss.txt. What is this? We don't have cat in there. Do we have z shell? sh cat ss.txt. Permission denied. Okay, we have the z shell in here. Okay, so does this have permission? Okay, we don't have the permission to perform certain actions. Strings. Do we have that? It seems we have the strings in here, so we can read the file. Not a problem. And there might be a possibility we can run the Python server here and try to get the, like, what the hell, wget and perform the wget here and download all these files. There is a Pune, there is ABC, there is a test, there is a Mumbai, there is a Deepak, there is my program online. Man, I feel that this is like sensitive data over here. Bam. I don't know what they are looking at or they are thinking, but I feel this is severe. Where is it? Damn it, not a type juggling. Bro, they're not gonna put case on you if something break or something happen. I'm the one who is going to be in the, like, this whole mess. So let's create a report out of it and I can just share it with them. Reporting date. What's the date today? It's 25th of January. It's 2025. Reporter name. You guys know, even though. Weird thing. Contact is going to be, let's see, what contact should I give to them? Give me a sec. Let me pull my e-addresses. E-address. Okay, so let's use this one, I believe. There we go. Organization. There isn't any organization. I don't think I should be even mentioning that in any manner. So this is going to be the stuff over here. Findings details, I'll add it later. Evidences, the screenshots over here. Let's just remove it. Backspace, enter. I'm just gonna throw it in their bucket and see if they can actually understand the problem. over here. Else they will be brain dead people who... I'm not sure what they're gonna do. People, subscribe to the channel, guys. I was doing something else and we found something else. Like, what the hell is that? It doesn't make any sense, right? Impact. Any of these can be impacted, but this is going to be updated. Reporter name is gonna be Tanveer Singh. Email address, I believe it's up here somewhere. And this is actually damn long email address, isn't it? So phone number, I don't think it is appropriate to give the phone number, so they will be calling me day and night. Let's remove this. Underscore, acknowledgement, your signature, your title if applicable, security engineer, organization, I don't think I should be providing that. Tutorial points. I think for this I'm gonna use a different template, because if I'll be using this one, it's gonna mess up everything here. Okay guys, it's already been 2.5 hours, so I guess I should be taking leave and I'll be reporting this, what I found. I'm not sure if it is like they have left it intentionally or not, but I'm still going to report it and share what's the response I'm getting from them. So let's see where it'll go. Correct? So I'll see you guys tomorrow, and I hope... Yeah, thanks for that, Levi. With that, I'll see you guys tomorrow, and I hope wherever you are having a great rest of your day. If you're in the same zone as me, have a great rest of your night. If you're in some other zone that is under day right now, have a great rest of your day. Enjoy to your fullest, and happy weekend to those whose weekend is starting today. And don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and if you're not understanding anything, drop it in the chat, in the comments, so I can look at that later on, or maybe within the stream itself, so I can provide you with the answer right there itself. So yeah, that's it. Just like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, have a great rest of your day and great rest of your night. Enjoy at your fullest. Till then, bye bye.